Where are we? Palm Springs? See those? They built this on the North Shore for wind power. That's crazy. I mean, it's smart because they need it. But those weren't here a couple years ago, were they? No, those weren't here last year.
Yeah.
Crazy.
I'm like, what's that twirling in orange?
So the shrimp farms. It's okay, babe. Yeah, it looks like a twister weather, don't it? Don't know the downfield where all those yummy shrimp come from. Another shrimp spot.